is in effect for City of Saskatoon, RM of Great Bend including Radisson and Borden, RM of Laird including Waldheim, Hepburn and Laird, RM of Rosthern including Rosthern, Hague and Carleton, RM of Eagle Creek including Lorley and Sunningdale, RM of Corman Park including Martensville, Warman and Langham, RM of Purdue including Purdue and Kinley, RM of Vanscoy including Delisle, Asquith and Vanscoy, RM of Aberdeen including Aberdeen, RM of Grant including Vaughan de Prudhomme and Smuts, RM of Blucher including Allen, Clavet, Bradwell and Elstow, RM of Montrose including Donovan and Swanson and RM of Dundurn including Dundurn and Blackstrap Prof Park.
15h31 HNC le samedi 18 juin 2022, une veille d'orage violent heure normale de l'est en vigueur pour ville de Saskatoon, MR de Great Bend incluant Radisson et Borden, MR de Laird incluant Waldheim, Hepburn et Laird, MR de Rosthern incluant Rosthern et Carleton, MR d'Eagle Creek incluant Veroli et Sunningdale, MR de Corman Park incluant Martensville, Warman et Lingham, MR de Perdue incluant Perdue et Kinley, MR de Vanscoy incluant Delisle, Asquith et Vanscoy, MR d'Aberdeen incluant Aberdeen, MR de Grant incluant Vaughan de Prudhomme et Smuts, MR de Blucher incluant Allen, Clavel, Bradwell et Elstow, MR de Montrose incluant Donovan et Swanson et MR de Dundurn incluant Dundurn et Blackstrap Prof Park.